welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Makayla and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing / showing you some new products that I have purchased recently. I've been on a little bit of a makeup buying spree. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just keep buying it and buying it and buying it. So I'm going to unbox all this crazy makeup I've been buying the last like 2 weeks because I'm losing my mind. And then I also bought a few things in store because, you know, why not? So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek like highlighter basically. It's like super cute. It's in this beautiful packaging. Here's the color. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really pretty. It's like squishy, I guess is a good way to describe the texture. It's like super crazy shiny and pretty, and haven't used it yet, but that's what it looks like. And yeah, that's the first thing I'm going to show you guys. I love ColourPop stuff though, like all of it's so like nice and cute. Alright, next is the Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette. I bought both of these things at Ulta. So this palette has 25 shades in it. It's like really pretty. So those are the colors. They're so beautiful. I love the last 2 rows. They're like so shiny. It's like amazing. So I cannot wait to use this palette in a video for you guys. We'll see what we come up with all these pretty colors. They're pretty dark, so we will see what I guess I'm in the mood for with it. Next is this ColourPop package. Pull this open. So I have been waiting for this I've been waiting for this collab for a little while. It took a little longer for them to send it out just because it is their newest collab with, how do you say her last name? Gutowski? Whatever. This Eva collection here. And then I have this cute little miniature ColourPop Ultra Gloss that came with it that I did not order, but it's called Tokyo Tea. My cat is in the way. Hold on. So this is a little lip gloss that they included with everything, and it's called Tokyo Tea. It's like a mini one. It's super cute. And then I got like the entire little like bundle that they have on their website right now of hers. And this is called Mermaid Glow. So it's like blush and highlight in this little compact. It's super cute. The colors are really pretty. I'm so excited to try these out for you guys in a different video, but I'll do a whole look with it because it comes with like the highlight, blush, eyeshadow, and lip gloss, so pretty good amount of stuff. Next in this bundle is the little vacation mode palette. These are the colors. They're super cute. I'm excited to do a look with this. And yeah, that's those beautiful colors. I like that this is like a small little eyeshadow palette thing, basically. You can easily travel with it. And then this is the lip colors. And this little packet says she's a beach babe on it. And there's an ultra lip gloss and an ultra bloated lip. And another ultra bloated lip. I have no idea. But this is them. This one's super sparkly. So this is Just Surfed. It looks super pretty. We'll swatch it on my hand. And then this one is Love Bite, and it's kind of like a pinky nude looking color. It's mostly just pink. And last but not least, Party Wave. So that is the 3 lip colors. They're really cute. And yeah, now, BH time. So, this bubble wrap, not bubble wrap, this, whatever this stuff is, this part, I give this to my cats because they're obsessed with it. Alright, as I said, Carli Bybel's palette is my absolute favorite, so this is my 3rd one that I have bought. So I will never run out now. So you've already seen this palette. I don't think, I'll just show it to you just in case you haven't seen it really fast. This is her palette. It is beautiful. The most beautiful palette ever made, in my opinion. I'm obsessed. I have 3 because they will not be made anymore and I think they stopped selling this month or something. I have no idea. I just know they're going bye-bye forever eventually. So I had to have like 100 just to be safe. And then in this purchase, I also got this Dual Effect Wet and Dry Shadow palette. I just got it because it looked interesting and pretty. So this is what's in this palette. Don't those colors just look so beautiful? So yes, I will do a look with this eventually as well. There's just so much new makeup in this. I'm going to do like 100 videos of all the new stuff. So that is the first package that I purchased from BH. Then, you know, I just had to be extra crazy and purchase another one. Like 2 days after I bought the other one. They had like some crazy sale going on and I was like, I need to buy more. Oh, I got a free shipping on $25 spent. Alright, so I purchased this brush set. They were just like so pretty. They look all like marbly, like pink marble. This is what they look like. Aren't they so beautiful? I think they look so beautiful. The brush feels really nice. I'll definitely have to use these in a video to do like a full look to tell you if they suck or not. So there's 9 new brushes in here. Then I bought my first lip color from them. It's called Muse. Let's swatch this. I should shake it first. Apparently. Better. So that is that color. Right here. It's so beautiful. And last but not least is this cute little palette here. It's like marbly looking. So for this, like I bought the palette and the brush set together, so they're both like a marble look. But the colors in this palette fall out apparently. Anyways, they're all so pretty. So I'm excited to try this palette out as well. And yeah, that is all the crap I have bought in the last few days. I also have a bunch of stuff coming from Wish, so I'm gonna do a makeup haul from Wish as well and show you guys if their products work or not, if they're good or not. Most of them were the free makeup with the shipping payment, so I'll be doing that video whenever all that crap gets here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of all this new crazy makeup. I'm excited to try this collab just because it's new and it looks so cute and I just love ColourPop, so this will be fun. If you can't tell, I have an issue with buying palettes. There's 4 of them. And then lips. A few lip colors. Calypso. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup haul and all this crazy new stuff. Unboxings are like some of my favorite videos, so I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good rest of your night. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, okay? Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.